Welcome to Hostrare cPanel series tutorial. Our today's topic is change tables auto increment number in phpmyadmin in live cPanel database. Let's see what is this. Actually, when you create a table, in our last video when I created a table called customers, I put ID as auto increment column. So when I insert, automatically increment updating. So let's see how can I change the increment. Like if I want to insert new data, it will automatically increase 4 to 5. Let's copy a data to confirm. I don't put anything inside ID. I just click go. See the ID generate as 5. But see here is the serial is 145. I'd like to reset the increment value. How can I do it? First of all, I put update the ID to serialize properly. But if you want to copy again, what happened? Let's see. Just go to the ID number this and click on copy. You see next insert ID would be 6 as last time it inserted 5. So something is wrong. I have to change the serial. First of all, I'm going to delete this data 6 and go to operations, and inside the table rename section there is a field called auto increment. You see here is the next increment value is 7. What should I set? Check again. My last ID is 3, so I have to set it 4 and click on go. Then if I copy next data and save, see next data is 4. Copy another data, it will be 5. So increment value will be changed from operations. If you want to increment to 27, so next data will be 27. After 5 it should be 6, but as I have changed it to 27, so next data will be 27. Let's check. Click, it should be 7. Hope you understand. Subscribe our channel for update. Thank you very much. Bye bye.